Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel, Frankie Soto Music. In this video, I have a very easy chord progression as well as a very easy strumming pattern. It is a very easy strumming pattern because they are all down strums. And it is also a very easy chord progression because we will not be using any bar chords. Alright, so the four chords that we're going to use for this progression are C major. To play C major, we're going to put our ring finger on the 3rd fret, 5th string, middle finger, 2nd fret, 4th string, and index finger, 1st fret, 2nd string. This is a C major. Okay, the second chord that we will be using for this progression is going to be in A minor. To play A minor, we're going to put our middle finger on the 2nd fret, 4th string, ring finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string, index finger, 1st fret, 2nd string. And this is an A minor chord. We play from the 5th down. On the first chord that we learned, which was a C chord, we also play from the 5th string down. Okay, so that's 2. We have that C major and an A minor. The third chord is going to be a D minor. To play this chord, we are going to put our middle finger on the 2nd fret, 3rd string, pinky, 3rd fret, 2nd string, and index, 1st fret, 1st string. And we play from the 4th string down. Okay, and last but not least, for the 4th chord, we have a G major. You can also play a G7 if you would like, but I prefer to use a G major for beginners since it is easier. Alright, to play a G major, we're going to put our middle finger on the 3rd fret, 6th string, index finger, 2nd fret, 5th string, and pinky finger, 3rd fret, 1st string. And we play all of the strings. It sounds like this. Okay, let's review the 4 chords for this progression. We have a C major, A minor, D minor, and G major. Okay, now that we have all 4 chords for this progression, let's learn the strumming pattern. It is very easy. We're going to practice it on our C chord. Alright, so go ahead and place that C chord, and we're going to play 3 strums down. It sounds like this. 1, 2, 3. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3. And all we're going to do is add 3 more strums down. So it's a total of 6, okay? It sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. After this, we are going to go ahead and change over to A minor and do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. D minor, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And G major, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's practice it slowly. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And after this, all we do is repeat it. Okay, let's try the progression a total of 3 times. We'll go super slow, and then we'll speed it up on the next clip. Here we go, 3 times around. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, also try playing a little harder on each one, okay? For example, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. On each one, if you play it a little harder, it will give it a nice little touch, okay? It sounds pretty cool. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, let's try the progression in normal tempo. We're gonna try to play it for 2 minutes straight. Try to follow me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, go. Alright, if you were able to follow me, congratulations. Now you know a new chord progression and a new strumming pattern. Once again, guys, don't forget to give this video a like if it helped you out. Feel free to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.